Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by locking the scope and confirming who must approve. Identify the training goal and a clear KPI percentage for success. Explain why that metric matters. Once done, list stakeholders, sponsor, SME, L&D, IT, and get their time commitments. Collect baseline data, current skill gaps, prior training hours, and budget dollar. This justifies resources. Do not delay. These prerequisites let you draft objectives and timeline immediately, so you can move into design without rework. You now convert objectives into a tangible design. Decide modality, instructor-led, e-learning, or a blended approach, and explain how that choice impacts cost and learner retention. Build a curriculum outline with modules, measurable objectives, and assessment methods so reviewers see the evaluation chain. Then map logistics, platform or venue, detailed schedule in hours, instructor fees, and tech needs. Make sure to align timelines with stakeholder calendars. This reduces approval cycles and prevents last-minute scope drift. You finish by creating an itemized budget and the approval package. Present costs by line, content development, instructors, platform, travel, and include a 10% contingency, explaining the risk buffer. Describe expected ROI and clear success criteria so decision-makers can compare benefits versus cost. Attach a concise one-page executive summary that highlights timelines and dependencies. Once you get approvals, schedule a pilot, gather feedback, and adjust. If stakeholders stall, escalate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.